Zambia has urgently called for intervention from the Southern African Development Community and the African Union. This comes after Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa made explosive remarks during a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Mnangagwa suggested that Zambia's growing ties with the United States have turned it into a regional security threat. His comments have sparked outrage in Lusaka and beyond. Zambia's government is now seeking immediate action from regional bodies to address what they see as an escalating diplomatic tiff. The situation underscores the fragile balance of power and alliances in Southern Africa. What will be the next move for the Southern African Development Community and the African Union? And how might this tension affect regional stability? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. Drop your comments down below. Let's have a quick chat about this.